Release Manager Interview Questions and Answers 2024. As a build and release engineer, you will be in charge of the product planning, building stages and delivering obligations for the.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Association. You will likewise get a chance to make, keep up and test the foundation to build programming applications before the release. DevOps is probably the sultriest trendy expression in tech now, despite the fact that it is significantly more than buzz. It is a cooperation between the turn of events and activities group, where they cooperate to convey an item quicker and proficiently.
Worldwide organizations, similar to Google, Facebook, and Amazon, much of the time have different open situations for DevOps engineers. You can likewise acquire insight in preparing staff on programming setup management, SCM, devices. Look and apply for most recent build and release engineer occupations accessible on Insight Release Manager interview questions. List of top 30 Release Manager interview questions. 1. What is the best practice configuration usage for files, POM? XML or settings? XML? The best practice rule among settings. XML and POM. XML is that designs in settings. XML should be explicit to the current client and that POM. XML arrangements are explicit to the undertaking. Naturally, the area of the produced container is in $project, build, directory, or in your objective catalog. We can change this by designing the output directory of expert container module. Aggregate arranges the source code of the undertaking though the bundle into the nearby archive for use as a reliance in different activities locally. Transitive reliance is the conditions not characterized straightforwardly in the current POM yet the POM of the needy tasks. Indeed, we can supersede transitive reliance form by determining the reliance in the current POM. 2. What are the benefits of transitive dependency in Maven? Transitive conditions permits to try not to determine the libraries that are needed by the venture which are indicated in other WARD projects, remote or local. 3. What is a cyclic dependency? A has reliance of B, B has reliance of C, and C has reliance of architecture, technical lead. With Maven 2, came transitive reliance wherein in above situation, C will goes about as a reliance of and as though this reliance has been characterized straightforwardly in A, yet the negative side is that on the off chance that it prompts cyclic reliance, it makes issue. Archive is the core of any form control framework. It is focal spot where engineers store all their work. Archive stores documents as well as history. Store is gotten to over an organization, with Vault going about as a worker and variant control device going about as a customer. Customer can associate with archive, and then they can recover their progressions to from storehouse. 4. What is Jenkins? As run on the Java platform, it automatically re-expands after some time has passed, keeping track of the expansion of the target JRE. These constant and expandable revision tools have characteristics Perforce, ClearCase, Merkur, Git, RTCE, and the Git VCS are examples of Pester, Perforce, Accuriv, ClearCase, and the ClearCase project all share these characteristics. The processor's expand register is used to perform the last instruction. Indeed, this can be utilized with other string to execute new command. For example, if the last command was ls, we should run is with the 2 exclamation points in front of it. Normally, highlight branches are made in situations where the new component or upgrade has expansive far-reaching developments to the code base to such an extent that presenting them in the storage compartment might be excessively troublesome. Additionally, include branches might be utilized for prototyping or evidence of idea for code that may never wind up in trunk. The best practice rule among settings. XML and POM. XML is that setups in settings. XML should be explicit to the current client and that POM. XML designs are explicit to the task. As a matter of course, the area of the produced container is in $project, build, directory, or in your objective registry. We can change this by arranging the output directory of expert container module. 5. What is the purpose of continuous integration for a development team? The basic role of CI is to give standard, quick criticism to engineers as they submit changes to the Common Code Store, VCS. The thought being that we are continually coordinating our code on submit, so when clashes emerge, they can be tended to more rapidly and effectively than if the progressions had been made days, weeks, or even months prior.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.